Here we go again, fam. Here we go again. Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, this is just going to be a short little video about what's going on in JFF and the team selection. But before we do that, make sure, please, drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're brand new. We into the international break right now, so Manchester United is not really playing. Kind of happy, kind of sad. You know, I think already. But we have to talk about Leon Bailey and Jamaica's Football Federation before the game tomorrow. Sit around, get a popcorn. I sound like a hot. I just saw a video yesterday. Leon Bailey have a nice interview with someone from the Jamaica from the Jamaica Federation team, media team actually. And I'm asking a bunch of questions, I'm glad to be back. It's been a year since I've been back. All sorts of stuff. I'm like, oh my God, this is so good. Jamaica's Golden Boys back on the national team. Oh my God. No, fam. We didn't miss you. We did not miss you. In my perspective, let me talk about me. In my perspective, we don't miss you. I didn't miss you playing for Jamaica, fam. I did not miss you playing for Jamaica. You remember what you said about a year ago? That Jamaica hasn't done anything for you, but you have been the peak of football for Jamaica. Yeah? Jamaica hasn't done anything for you. So let me ask you this, Leon Bailey. Before we get to JFF, let me ask you this, Leon Bailey. Please and tell me, what has JFF given to you to bring you back into the fold? Because you had a few demands when you did that interview. So I want to know what have they given to you? You know, give and take. So they give you some, you give them some, that kind of stuff. That's how negotiations work. So what the demands that you made that we saw on national TV, national YouTube, what has JFF given to you? Please tell me. Yeah. I know you required your own suite, 10th floor, that kind of stuff. Have they given that to you? I know they're requiring that no one in your room. Have they given that to you? I know you said they didn't pay you as well. They raise your pay? Kind of strange, ain't it? I know you said that, we don't book flight for you, you're not getting a first class flight. You're then a coach. I'm just waiting. Oh, is it that, your boy, your coach, your daddy, whatever you want to call himself, your agent, said that they want to get Mr. Speed out of the JFF, out of selection of football. Did you get that? Is that what you got? Is it? I don't know. I'm asking because it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird to see you back. It was rumored that you were coming back prior to Al Grimson leaving. It didn't materialize. Was it that the new coach that gave you the big smile on your face and said, come play for Jamaica again? And you're like, coach, are you really you? I play for you, coach? What is it? Is it the lure of him being a former Manchester United coach? That could be the reason. Wait. Hey, that could be the reason, fam. Because he was a Manchester United coach under Alex Ferguson, coach under Ten Hag. Listen, yeah, that could be the reason, fam. What could be the reason? What has they given to you? What has JFF given to you? What? I'm asking for a friend, and I'm asking for me as well, because I'm confused. Confused your fuck as to why are you back? Or is it that you already knew, and I knew from a year ago, that this was Jamaica's only opportunity to make the World Cup? Jamaica's only opportunity, clear class opportunity. Mexico, USA, Canada will be at the World Cup. They already qualified because they're hosting the World Cup. Well, are you now realizing, hey, shit, you know, I have to go back, come on, play a World Cup? Why? Because the world are gonna see me playing football. I mean, I'm gonna sit down on my yard. Is it? Is it? Okay, Leon Bumbo Clark Bailey. No, me get it. But I told you guys this before, fam. I told you guys this before. Liam Bailey was gonna scurry back into the team when it gets closer. It gets closer to World Cup qualifications. You know why? Because he will go on to go to the World Cup. The man didn't want to keep him party last year. And Algims and JFF that try to hold him back. So I'm just Remember, he's only kick out the first time out of the team because my man go party the night before he game, However, So the man in a partying, I feel life, I think me the partying, but no, he must have to play football and have to make the World Cup and have to make the World Cup team. So him go, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. But then you come on TV and say you're a big ball off return, yada yada yada, you're bumbo clot. Yada yada yada, you're bumbo clot. Leon Bailey. You post so boy, may I tell you? Me I tell him, hey, and wait, I may tell you this right now. So, JFF, you man, you and the bumbo clock new coach. Somebody ever feel like say my game no pass that because my former Manchester United coach, you post over McLaren saying that about your man, you have to bring Liam Bailey the best ball. I understand, you know, big footballer. Yeah, him good, whatever. Film club, maybe. But him not good with Jamaica. Never had a man of match performance in Jamaica ever. Never. Yeah, I know lick off man boost bottom. For what? What did you give to Liam Bailey? You give him one sweet? You get rid of speed? What did you do? What did you give to get Liam Bailey come back? Oh, Liam Bailey is suspended. No, he's not. Yo, them bumble are prep, yo. As I say, I watch the game tomorrow. I'm going to objectively watch the game tomorrow. I'm going to objectively say what I think. Last time Liam Bailey played against Canada, he was shit two games. I don't know what he'll do against USA, but I will be there. Me and my friend them will be there, and me I go tell you now right now. If that post will pull up and play like shit, you will not hear the end of it. You will not hear the end of it. People, bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.